Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says, describe the process of conversion of cast iron to the wrought iron. So the key point of this question is to study the conversion of cast iron to the wrought iron. So key point is conversion of cast iron, that is the impure form of the iron, to wrought iron, that is the pure form of the iron. So in this process, the cast iron first treated with heated in the furnace that is lined with the Fe2O3, that is iron oxide. So first of all, the cast iron is heated in रेविब्रेटरी फर्नेस जहाँ पर टेम्परेचर काफ़ी हाई मेंटेन होता है, रेविब्रेटरी furnace, and this furnace is lined with iron oxide. तो बेसिकली हमको कार्बन रिमूव करना होता है. दिस आयरन ऑक्साइड Fe2O3 combines with the carbon and convert the carbon into the oxide form and itself get reduced to Fe, और हमें मिल जाता है Fe और कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. सो 3 2 3. सो इन दिस वे आपका जो कार्बन है वो कन्वर्ट हो गया कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड में, escape out हो गया, and even there are the impurities like silica is also present. The impurity silica that is also removed by using lime, is removed by using लाइम और लाइमस्टोन दोनों ले सकते हैं. लाइमस्टोन भी स्ट्रांगली हीट होकर डिकम्पोज होकर आपको लाइम देता है. यूजिंग लाइम एज अ फ्लक्स. तो SiO2 combines with the calcium oxide and form calcium silicate, CaSiO3, and this calcium silicate is a highly fusible material known as slag. So after removing the carbon as an impurities and silica as an impurity, we get the wrought iron. So this is how we convert the cast iron to the wrought iron by removing the impurities. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.